guys, and welcome to another video. Here besides me I have my friend Rob's Gaming once more. His name is Rob's Gaming, by the way. I said Rob's Gaming, that's not his real name. But we are playing Build a Boat for Persia. And we've gone through the tutorial pretty well, so I don't have to stress through the tutorial to make it correct. So now I need to set a timer because I forgot that. Like, now we can set it. Yeah. Now I have a timer, so I only have 10 minutes to play. Which is not good. But why don't we get started with building? So
Hey, I got a tip.
What?
You know you can stop the recording and then turn it on again, which will save more space. So you can upload both of them and then put them together as one video.
That's actually smart.
Well, let's just play them.
Yeah.
Every 10 minutes we clip it.
I thought I was gonna build an own boat.
Yeah, but we can build a boat together.
Alright.
A double boat.
Yeah, we're gonna have the exactly same things.
Because we have exactly the same things.
No, this is, no.
Yes.
What did you do that for? No, wait for me, I gotta sit there. Wait for me! Wait for me!
Yes, jump on. No, don't jump on!
Oh,
Ayan.
I'm on.
For me, you're just sitting here.
What? Yeah, like, I looked at this screen, and for me, I'm just flying in the air. I wonder how long we can come on this little small boat. I'm just sitting here, relaxing.
Please.
Hey, let's drop it down. I don't wanna get the copy strike. So I'm gonna stop singing now. I can't sing my own notes.
You're invisible to me. You're invisible to me.
Oh, we already dropped 1.5. Yeah, 1 block we dropped.
What did you say? You mean 2? Like, I can literally not see you.
You cannot see me on this shot.
It feels like I'm lonely. No!
Wait, I think you can still turn the motor. No, the engine. There you go.
Oh,
No.
Oh, I can't see it on this fucking oh, wait, you're on it. I can see it.
Oh. No,
My God.
I'm taking this.
I saw you at the end.
I died. I died. The birds came to Bahamas. Then they ended.
What?
Yeah,
Let's try that again.
Yeah, sure.
Pretty smart if you will do it again. I don't have enough for a whale. I just don't have enough for an uncommon.
I was gonna save up for a rare.
Oh, I got glass.
Now I'm gonna build my own.
Wait. Look at this.
No, take that down. This is my boat. This is mine.
I tell you it's mine too.
No.
But if we work together, we can build a superstone boat.
Yeah, later in the game. Not now.
Okay, I just wanted to help.
No, you want to stop it.
But just a little like this.
Alright, then you're gonna help me.
Oh shoot!
What? Wait, I accidentally turned it off because I can't hear anything. It automatically turns off. Maybe to put one volume up so I can hear something. So I don't hear nothing. No, not like that. Like, I mean, like, in-game.
Oh, alright, I get it.
So now I can hear something. Okay, so now it won't happen again. Wait.
What is this? No, stop! I can't see!
It's a boat.
Alright, now I'm on.
It's literally a boat.
Yeah, Almost. Wow, this is...
Why does this look like a flamingo on the
I
side?
don't know.
Look at the side. It's like a bird. Look.
Yeah, actually.
If you look at the top, it's like a.
Oh, shoot.
Oh. That's a problem
Yep.
for you to solve. And you solved it.
How do you take screenshots in Roblox, Logan?
Green screen. It's pretty easy. Why are you just going forward and backwards?
Because I was gonna take a screenshot. No. This screenshot is better. Now what? That's another.
Green screen. Oh.
There you go.
Actually. Oh, okay.
That is gonna be the thumbnail of this video.
We hope.
Really hope.
We hope.
Oh shoot.
The we hope.
Well, it sounded like you said it. Really hope.
Oh.
What?
It's just like music is so weird when I can hear it. I have pretty bad hearing if
You
my
need headphones.
yeah. My headphones are pretty bad. But it's pretty much pretty
Oh,
good
no.
mix.
Don't hit the mushrooms.
Because-
Don't hit the mushrooms.
Because they don't
Oh,
have
shoot, we lost the...
because they don't have much room for us.
Uh-huh.
What is it?
Oh,
Extra
it hasn't
position.
loaded. Come on.
Come on.
It hasn't loaded. No.
No! It's also going to load in. Yes!
Yes, we made it.
Oh no.
Oh, alright, this is actually pretty easy.
Oh, the socks. There's a. Wait, how do you go through the sock? It looks like a sock or a heart. Look at it. Look to the side.
Yeah, I see that.
It's a washing machine. What?
No.
Wait.
I don't want to
Wait,
do it.
don't go. Maybe try to get through there. I know to try that. Try.
No, I'm just gonna wait.
Wait, try to go through there. Maybe it works. It works.
What? Shoot!
No! Yes.
What?
Don't fall. Yes.
Don't fall.
Look, there's a mini game.
Cool.
Does it work? I think.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Nah, not now.
Okay.
No, right now we're just trying to get...
Oh shoot! Like literally. Shoot!
Oh, shoot! Yeah, that was a good one, actually. What?
What?
Did we get hit or something? I don't know. What just happened?
What the?
Well, at least I have enough to buy a rare.
Me
Yes,
too.
man.
I can buy two.
Yeah, same here.
You know,
What?
tutorial. Oh, I accidentally bought one.
I'll buy another one now.
I got a hinge in my first try. What's a hinge? I don't fucking know. It's a hinge. It's literally a hinge.
Oh, I got a share. I got one of those expensive. I got a door. I got a door lock. No,
Look,
door.
I got this.
A hinge.
Wait, let me attach it to you.
No,
What? Why?
I just feel like that's not a good idea.
I got two hinges. Wait, let me try.
Alright then. If you're gonna try and do it then, also.
Hey,
Well, I can't move. I can't move.
wait, they can't move?
No.
Wait, let me try to place it. Whoa! I can literally soft lock you. You can play, but you can't make progress.
No.
Yes!
No. I'm waiting.
I can
Get
spin
me
you.
away from here. Get me away from here.
Okay, let's try to build a boat together.
Yeah. No, I want to build at least one more boat myself.
No, I want to play with you.
One more boat I'm gonna build myself.
One more moat. What's moat?
Oh, alright then, we're gonna build the boat together.
What's a moat?
I don't know. But, so I'll make a tip.
Tippy toes. Look at these tippy toes. They're tinier than my loaves. What's a loaf? I don't fucking know. I just came up with that word. What am I building?
I don't
It's a building. I'm building a building. Build a boat. More like build a... Build a car.
What?
Can you build cars?
I don't think so. Oh, I'm
Oh.
gonna end the video now.
No, wait, we can repeat it.
Yeah. So, bye. And I will see you in...
Why did you say bye?
I don't know.
Anyways, why did you say bye again? I wonder.
I don't know, but we're back. We have... yeah, we're gonna edit that out.
Like that never happened.
Yeah.
Smart.
Are gonna... Oh, you're all gonna build alone.
Yeah, because you didn't want to build with me.
Well, I said then, like later, that I can build with you.
Okay, build with me then. Okay, I'll build with you then. Build a
We'll
bit.
have the cool chef, and we'll have the poor chef, and here
Thanks for the cool share, man.
and here in the front we'll have the...
That's pretty nice. I did look. Nice.
And then here we'll have this.
Wait.
I have cannons. I have cannons.
Yeah.
Look at this. I've got ice, I think it is.
What is this? What you know about now?
No, we're gonna get coffee destroyed.
Oh no!
No.
Oh no!
Our table.
It's broken.
Boom.
Sand, and some sand in your face.
No.
Sand in your...
No.
Sand on your feet. And
Stop it.
maybe sand in your hair.
No, don't take that sand away. I got it.
No. If you do that, we can do this. Which means we can protect it.
I've got a better idea. Like it will see much more cool. Look, just take that away, please. I'll show you. You can put it back.
Okay.
You don't like it.
Like you said. Yeah.
Wait.
What you're trying to...
Boom.
Oh,
looks nice.
Wait, look at this. Look at this trick. It's a little trick. Remove that hole.
Alright.
Look at this. Wait. Give me some seconds. Now take some steam and steam.
Oh, that's actually really cool.
Oh shoot! I accidentally connected it to... I need to place it like this. Like this. Place it like this. Nice! That's really bad!
Yeah.
Take away the...
Oh, no.
Just take away the Eiffel...
Closed again.
Just take away the Eiffel Tower there. But can't we just...
You turn off the music. I can't hear anything now.
Why?
Oh wait, click. Play something. I can't hear anything.
That's weird.
Wait. It's my... Oh god, it's closed. I don't know what's happening, but I think I just did something wrong.
Let's continue with you then. put the timer.
No.
You gotta put the timer.
Oh shoot. I just quit that in 5 minutes.
No, I give it to 2 minutes.
Alright.
But then we actually gotta end the video. Or else the video will be too long. Yeah. Let's try this boat while we can.
Yeah, this will be the last boat we're doing today's episode. 3, 2,
No, wait. I just want to play some more stuff.
alright. Well, hurry up. Can't miss this.
You can't miss this. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, yes. Smart. I'm gonna place more blocks. Some more. Like there and there and there and like that and maybe.
Like
Here
that.
and here.
Oh, that leads to nothing. I went through a lot of blocks.
And maybe like a share here.
What are you doing?
And maybe like a wolf picking pole. Yeah, a pole on another pole.
Oh my god, this is hard.
Yeah, we're sailing.
Okay, we need to save this.
Yeah, that should actually do that. Maybe. We both need to save it. Oh shoot, we both need to save it. Or else it will not even work.
Yeah, it's true.
And it's painful.
You know what?
Don't launch. Don't.
You know what?
Don't!
This is gonna be the thumbnail of the video.
Yeah.
Because it looks like, Jesus Christ calls. What? I don't know what.
That looks like a woodcut mask.
Actually, yeah, I know.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. We need to go now. So, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh shoot!
Well, the boat just tipped.
It's actually pretty fun. Look at the boat. It's like sailing.
Yeah. What is there an extra?
Don't! Why did you jump? No, don't jump. Wait, I forgot. Did I save? I think I didn't save.
Shoot!
I think I saved. Yeah, I think I saved.
Well, that's good.
Oh,
We
no,
got the
no.
cannon.
Shoot the boom.
Oh.
Yeah.
You shoot with the cannon?
Yep.
I didn't know that.
It actually works. It's pretty fun. Oh, why did you do that?
It was an accident.
The mask. Oh my. Remove the mask. We need to, destroy it. We try to destroy it. Come on. Go backwards. Oh god. This is not going great. Come on. Lul. Oh, what is happening? What is happening? No! No! Oh no! Yes, one mascot is destroyed. Now we're on the wall? What?
What is happening? We need to get up from it. Come on, destroy the mess. Yes!
Yes!
Wait,
Oh wait. How are we supposed to get up now?
oh,
no! We're so close! Yes, we can shoot us up! Oh shoot. You just destroyed me.
I'm still alive somewhere.
Okay, I'm going to watch you.
How is the motor still working? And why is the cannon placed like that?
Wait, you put a door in. Oh my.
What?
You put a door.
I know. I know, that was stupid.
I know. I saved it. I saved it.
Stop saying shit. Stop saying it.
Okay. Sorry. sorry, I'm not cringe.
Yes, you're saying cheese.
Why?
Me.
Holy guacamole! It's a cat!
Holy guacamole. Yeah, you're right. It's guacamole.
Quacking moly. Okay. Okay, Vivian.
No, thank you. Not this. I think that this looks pretty cursed, so I don't want to talk anything. My blocks are being good. I'm soon gonna shut it. Shut it. Or it's close.
What if you didn't record anything? I'm just going to the end. I think you're not going to survive that.
Yeah, because it's the last one, and of course it's super hot.
Just leave. Just leave. Stop touching it.
Oh, I've lost the monster.
Oh. You're fucked.
Yep, I am completely lost. I'm stuck in the stone. I'm stuck inside of the stone.
No, the boat is pushing you into the stone. I guess we're supposed to end the videos here.
Yep, so
Bye bye channel.
bye bye.